Hello friends, welcome on board Tips for Productivity. Tips for Productivity is a means for sharing knowledge on the ways to increase productivity. Viewing and sharing of this content will help me getting a wider reach to this initiative. Do keep subscribed to get an instant update of the tips released on this channel and do share it with your friends. In this session, let us find ways to create a unique list from the given dataset. So in the last example, we saw how to find duplicates or how to identify duplicates using conditional formatting within a given range or column. Now let us take this same example and look forward to identify unique names against the contact names. So for this, we can use 4 different possible approaches. One is by using a functionality called as remove duplicates. We can use a functionality called as advanced filter. We can also use pivots to identify duplicate values. And in Office 365, we can also use a unique formula which is unique to find unique values. So let us first try out the option of remove duplicates. Remove duplicates function is found under the data tab against data tools, the second option here, which is remove duplicates. So to use this functionality, we first copy our data from the data source, which is around 133 records, and let me paste those values. Now from this selected data, I will use remove duplicates on this column E. And since my column already has an header, I will say that my data has headers and I click on OK. Now it says that 42 duplicate values were found and removed. 91 unique values remain. So now in this, I have a list of 91 records which are unique. The second option is to filter using advanced filter. The advanced filter option is found under the data tab against sort and filter section. Now for this, I can select the data source from where I am going to do an advanced filter. I will click on advanced. I will say copy to another location. So I'll copy the data to another location. I will specify where to copy. So I'm selecting, in this case, F4. I say I want only unique records and click on OK. Now this again gives me a list which contains 91 values. The third option is I can use the pivot function. I can select this data, go to insert, pivot table, and here I will say I will load it to the existing worksheet at G2 and click OK. Now I will drag the contact names to rows, close the pivot. Now this gives me a list of 91 records which are unique records from contact name. Now instead of going all the way around, in Excel 365, there is a shortcut way of finding unique records. You have a formula called unique. You can just select the data range and press enter on the keyboard. Now this gives me a same 91 records with just writing a unique function on the formulas. So these are 4 different ways by which we can find unique records from a list of existing duplicate records. So thank you for being with me on this session. Do share and like this video. Thank you.